Today, we're in the gym at the Tunisia Tower Foundation in Atlanta, Georgia. This is a cool project. A couple of weeks ago, we highlighted everything outside of this room. But today, we're just gonna spend some time going into the details of this room. Why? To some, this is just a television, some speakers, and a T4. However, a lot of integration had to happen to make this room and all of the other lounges come to life. So let's talk about the details. Let's start the show. Not a regular television. This is a 4K commercial display. What does that mean? Digital signage, IP control, and the TV is built to stay on and give you a longer life expectancy. Behind it, we have an advanced tilt mount. We have, actually, come around the corner so you guys can see what's going on here. We have an advanced tilt mount to give us access to the back of the room. 2, we have a Versa mount to mount all of the equipment that's going to be housed behind it. As you can see, we have a strip 6 because we have a lot of power. We have a Roku, a network switch, and an audio extractor. Why do we have an audio extractor? 1, the audio from this television is being sent to the rack that's connected to an audio matrix that's then connected to the 2 speakers in the ceiling. That way, anything that's playing on the television can be sent to the speakers in the room. Not only that, but let's say you don't want to watch a video, you don't want to watch Empire AV Services on your YouTube channel, which I think you should, but let's say you're just in here to listen to music. Boom, we got a pair of speakers connected to this T4. Now, yes, you can stream, but one of the cool things that we added into this room is we gave all of the residents the option to come into the room, go to listen, and then activate the gym Bluetooth. This right here is the Atlas Atmosphere system. Now, before this year, Control4 did not have a preferred route to send Bluetooth into their system. Atlas is a commercial mixing paging system that has Ethernet cables running to a processor, which I'll show you a little bit in the rack, but there's an Ethernet cable running from here into that processor. They have different UIs. They have a paging input. They actually have volume knobs. In this specific scenario, we're only using their system for their Bluetooth capabilities. This is being mastered into the matrix of the system, and that's how we are able to send music from here to there. This right here is the Control4 T4. This piece of equipment is meant to control everything in this room. It does have the power and potential to control everything in the building. However, they didn't want the residents playing with the other rooms, so we have locked in each of these T4s to only control the room that is actually assigned to. This is the Control4 user interface. It's super simple to use. It is very interactive and fast and responsive. As you can see, there's a volume knob for the speakers. There is a watch feature for the TV. And then there's a power off option when you're done with the system. I'm done showing you the stuff in here. I have 3 lounges in the building that I'm just gonna scan you through so you can see that it's the same exact setup, and then I'll take you to the wrap. Come on, let's go. Second floor lounge. We have 65-inch commercial display. The same exact setup in the back of the television because we do have the option to play what's on the TV through the speakers. In here, as you can see, we have in-wall speakers instead of in-ceiling speakers. We have a standalone T4 to control this room and its own Bluetooth connector from Atlas. Let's go to the 3rd floor. 3rd floor lounge. As you can see, we have another TV, another pair of speakers, another T4, and a Bluetooth connector. Why so many TVs? Because we can't live without TVs. And if you want a random fact, over 50% of our videos are actually watched on a large display. Another random fact is that over 60% of the people watching us are not subscribed. Right now would be a perfect time to hit that subscribe button. We appreciate it. YouTube really helps us showcase our product to other viewers because you subscribe, so help us do that. 4th floor lounge. As you can see, they all look exactly the same, even the decorations. We got a 65-inch TV, all the stuff behind it to send the audio to the in-wall speakers, its own standalone T4, and a Bluetooth connector. We wanted to keep it consistent. We wanted to keep it easy to use and we wanted to give them exactly what they wanted. These actual lounges have a lot of involvement. This is where the residents come, they watch TV, game night, music, listen to whatever, read. A lot of things happen in this room, so we wanted to give them all the options and features that they needed. Let's go downstairs, let me show you the rack and how all of this comes together. Let's go. All right, so we are in the rack. This full rack is controlling the entire building, but there's only a few pieces of equipment that we're gonna focus on. Come in a little closer. This right here is the Atlas AID processor. As you can see, it has cat cablings that are going into all of the Bluetooth connectors. It has an Ethernet line going into it because that's how you process and manage the entire system. These right here are line outs. So this right here is wired into our matrix mixer. From here is going into our amplifiers, and that's how we get to power all that stuff. Now do keep in mind that this Atlas ADI is usually a standalone system. So if we did not have Control 4, we would run everything through this Atlas because it does have amplification. However, and as I mentioned before, Control 4 actually released some of their binary products and episode products that have these features, but up until this year, we did not have a way to integrate Bluetooth connectors into a commercial route. So this is the best way that we found on how to do it. Now, let me show you the front of the rack and let's discuss some products up here. This right here is the front of the Atlas processor. As I told you, this has its own UI. I can download an app and I can control it, but in this scenario, it is literally a Bluetooth mixer. Triad matrix triad amplifier to power all of the speakers in all of the rooms that I've showed you, the gym, the lounges, the lobby, all those other rooms. These are stereo zones that are receiving data and information from the Atlas and from the Control 4 controller. And the last piece of equipment that I needed to highlight was this bad boy right here. This Core 1 controller is processing the entire building. This is usually a single room controller, but as you can see, this is not a huge automation project. We're running everything through a network. We're running triggers and relays to make sure that everything is functioning. This right here is processing everything for the entire building. Let me show you one more thing. This is their multi-purpose conferencing. No. 3, 2, 1. This is their multi-purpose media room that we created a whole separate video discussing the surround sound, the display, the audio, the video. So if you have some time, go watch that one. This video has come to an end. I appreciate you for tuning in with me today. Like always, your support is appreciated. Look, listen, and live with Empire AV. Have yourself a great day.